So Handshake is the main hub online of the Career Center. The entire university uses it, but Heller specifically has a lot of resources for students. They can do everything through Handshake. That means making an appointment with a career counselor. It means looking at resources for how to write a resume, how to do salary negotiations. What does it mean to be an international student trying to find a job in the US? What does it mean to be a student of color or a student in the LGBTQIA community in terms of professional development? All of those resources are available in Handshake. Students can also look at online programs that we have, including webinars, in-person events with alumni, employer tracks. They can sign up for those events through Handshake, and they can find out about them that way. They will get our career newsletter through Handshake. So every week, our current students receive a newsletter digest of employment opportunities, internship opportunities, conferences to attend. And then finally, they can plan their professional development. So in Handshake, for every degree program, there is a plan that we've created that students can go through and check off all of the things they need to do to be on track by the time they graduate to find that great opportunity.